Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to announce that if you're on Windows 7 and plan to stay on Windows 7 after Patch Tuesday is over this week, because I will remind everybody that if you are on Windows 7, the last security update is this Tuesday. That is January 14th. After that, it's what we call end of support. No more security updates for regular users. Of course, a lot of the questions that come through is a lot of people say when and how long some software will be supported. Well, if you got a clue on Google Chrome, Google has decided to announce that Google Chrome web browser will be supported at minimum 18 months after the Windows 7 end of support. That means you are supported until at least mid-2021. That's July of 2021. And that's good news, because one of the things that can keep you safe if you continue using Windows 7 is a web browser that is up to date. What is also interesting is that not only does that promise is not just security updates, because they could have said you're going to stay at a certain browser number. They are actually pledging full update support. That means every new version of Google Chrome will be on Windows 7 for a minimum of 18 months to come. So that's great news for people that want to stay on Windows 7. Having an up-to-date browser is, of course, a good thing, because you will, of course, be more secure using a browser that actually is updated. So, Google Chrome, 18 months. I would guess Firefox will continue on for a while also. A lot of browsers will continue supporting Windows 7. I mean, it's still a lot of computers. And that also brings us to another side of things. It would seem that Microsoft's own Edge Chromium browsers would also continue to be supported and updated in Windows 7. So this is an interesting one also. And it has to do probably because the business side, if you're on the enterprise side, you can have extended support for 3 years. And that means there's a need to have an updated browser. So they would actually update the Edge Chromium browser for the same reason that you might want to have something up-to-date and secure with Chromium engine. So the good news for anyone staying on Windows 7, Google Chrome browser, at least 18 months. So that is what you have to understand also. At least. That means it's 18 months, we're sure, but it could be extended even more. It will probably depend on the market share of Windows 7, how many users are still there. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.